Personally, I like this better. Everybody please meet Expo 2020's Guardian. Look, it's Ed!
Guardian of mobility.
Tara!
Guardian of sustainability.
And Opti. Guardian of opportunity. Looks like the whole gang's here. Except Salama.
But Salama is here.
Where?
All around us.
All you have to do is call her name.
Salama! It's me! Rashid! Can you hear me? Did you hear that? Keep going. Salama! Is that you? Are you really here?
Yes, Rashid.
Salama!
Hello, my dear children.
You came!
I've been here all along. For hundreds of years, I have watched over this land. The shade I offer is more than shelter from the sun. It's a place that brings people together, where people can trade ideas and stories and goods and goodwill.
Just like Expo!
Take good care of yourselves, Latifa and Rashid, and thank you for sharing this moment. Sharing is the key for us all to work together.
Don't go! I wanted to thank you for my present.
It's time to fly as well. Upper Radios are calling.
Rashid, that's not a present for you. How do you know that? Because it doesn't have your name on it. Can I have a look? Oh, it might be a trap or a present for me.
Hello, is this WASAL Plaza? I need someone to sign for the delivery.
Who's it for?
Is this for Salama?
Do I know you?
Is she going to sign or what?
Of course not.
Why not?
Because she probably thinks you're an evil villain.
Clearly I'm not.
Of course, I know that.
Oh, aren't you clever?
Clever enough to sign.
Or maybe even a password?
That's easy. Rashid 1, 2, 3, 4. Rashid, stop! Stop being clever. Oh no. Wait, I know that laugh. It's Mr. Scratch!
Indeed it is! And thanks to Boy Genius and his password, I finally have all I need! Our Wasl will soon be mine!
What are you doing?
Isn't it obvious? I'm hacking in. That's what great villains do.
But why?
So I can destroy it all. I've had enough of this sharing and caring, and our Wasl is at the center of it all!
But till Wasl Plaza is our home, there'll be nothing left.
Except me and my machine.
Oh no!
And I will be the one controlling them. They will answer only to me.
But they don't work.
What?
You're polluting machines.
Nonsense, children. The information age is over. Hello, Dark Age. And hello, my precious.
It's a laser gun.
Wrong. It's the Greed Gun 2000. She runs on the ultimate power source.
Oh no! Not a greed gun. What's greed? Greed is when you take more than your fair share. Guardians, help!
God, get back in. Are you all right? It's no use. I've locked it all down tight. Nothing's getting in and nothing gets out.
But what about all these nice people?
They're here for a show, right? Well, let's give them one. From the moment I was born, I was hungry for more. Any less than excess, and my ego would roar. My genius ideas weren't meant to share. I love being greedy, it's part of my flair. I was a young supervillain with the world at my feet. Plus a lab with a laser and a marble on sweets. Now I'm a man with a vision and the hunger to match it. Love's a computing racket. Yeah! Enough is a bore. I want not yours. Get off of my planet. I'll crush you in my fist like a ripe pomegranate. Ooh! You think I'm full of greed? That's just what I use to succeed! Don't underestimate me. My machines may be a little rusty, but when it comes to taking over, well, you'll just have to trust me. I want more! I want more! Cry all you want. She can't hear you.